Hi, so I'm going to try this one more time. All right, so what I've got here is these are my Track-It stickers, or Track-It stamps. I'm sorry, they're not stickers. Track-It stamps from Studio L2E, and I'm going to use the one down here, it's glasses, to put in my planner. So what they are, it comes like little acrylic stamps between two pieces of plastic. One is going to be a thicker plastic, and that's what the stamps are going to be mounted on, and the other is a thinner plastic that's easier to bend, and that's what you peel off, or I just peel to the side so I can get a stamp off. So I'm going to just peel that right off, and then it still has the picture there so you can see where to store it when you go to put all your stamps back. But here's my stamp, and then you mount it on an acrylic block, one that fits. I've learned that I like the thicker blocks as opposed to the thinner ones. Here. Like that's a pretty, you can see the difference in sizes here. I found that the thicker one is just easier for me to really stabilize and hold. Sometimes the thinner one gets a little awkward, but the thinner ones are cheaper, so there you go. I got these on Amazon. I got this on scrapbook.com. Okay, so I take my stamp, and you can see this stamp, or this acrylic block has lines on it, so I can keep it straight if I feel like it, but sometimes I just eyeball it because life. Okay, so I just press it on using my fingers. Oh, hey Megan. All right, so you see it's on here. Okay, now I am going to go and I'm going to put it on, put ink on my stamp. So I'm going to open up my little
who are you sending this to?
My sisters, Karen, Noelle, and Lynn. You know them, Aunt Karen, Aunt Noelle.
They're my cousins.
They're your aunts.
Aunts.
Their kids are your cousins. And then I just, oh, sorry, you can't see. I just tap, 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 tap. And then I can put it up, and I can see if I've got a good overall coverage. And then you just use normal, oh!
Sorry.
And then I just kind of use it. Here we go, okay. Alright, okay, and then I just press down on, okay, let's not do that anymore, okay? I know.
Take me again, one.
Okay, that's one more, that's it, there's no more, okay?
Okay, I'll try.
Right. Alright, and then I just put it down on where I want it to go on my planner, press down evenly, and here. Ta-da! You can see where I got my little drink cups down at the bottom. So then I can shade in throughout the day, every time I drink one glass of water. I found with the acrylic ones, just like the block mounted ones, I need to reapply ink for every stamp. I don't know, maybe there are other tricks. I'm still learning over here. And I just go ahead and do that all the way across my planner. I'm putting these at the very bottom of my boxes. Alright, and I got through my week. Okay, and then to clean it. Alright, so I like this. You can get, I've seen it at Michael's. It's just a water-based stamp cleaner or whatever. It's liquid thing. I don't actually know what's in here. But I go and I just spray my stamp, 1 or 2 pumps. I take this foamy thing. So one side is like a foam with like an open foam, and the other is like a denser foam. And so on the open side, I just rub it back and forth, and I check it out. I look at it to see if I still have ink on it. Go, 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 go. And I do this, I keep rubbing until it's clear, like that. And then I do have a towel I can dry it off with if I want to, but it's no big deal. And then when I'm done with it, I just peel it off like this, put my block aside, get my stamp piece right here, my stamp page, and I just stick it back. And the nice thing is, if your stamps get like furry or maybe dusty, you can just rinse them off with water, let them dry, and then they'll stick again. So they can last for a long, long time. And there you go. That's how you use acrylic stamps.